Hey everyone, welcome to CryptoWeeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about XRP and its forecasts. AI-based forecast starting September 2023 till Bitcoin halving, that is April 2024. I'll be presenting three scenarios for XRP. The first case that you're seeing on the screen is the base case. Second one would be the bull case, and the third one is the bear case. So this forecasts are created using a color-coded chart that you're seeing on the screen. Color-coded from dark green to dark red based on a metric known as z-score, which calculates how far the price is away from the average price for the entire time series in terms of standard deviation. So for example, in January 2018, when XRP was at a monthly average price was at $1.87, that price marked as at 4.2 standard deviation away from the mean for the entire time series starting November 2017 till August 2023. So subtracting one from 1.87 dollar, subtracting the average for the entire time series and dividing it by the standard deviation by the standard deviation that to get the z-score for the price action. So this exercise provides how far the price is in terms of standard deviation. So 4.2 standard deviations away from the mean. Similarly, during its and when the color is dark red, the token is typically in overvaluation phase. Similarly, when the token is color is for price color is dark green. So, for example, October 2019, when the price was at monthly average was at 28 cents, the the z score was negative 0.74. That means the price was 0.74 standard deviations away from the mean to the downside. So another exercise that we need to do is calculate the z-score for from peak to peak. For the first one bull run, it was at 4.2 standard deviations away from mean. For the second one, this particular crypto had a lower high in the second bull run, about 60 cents lower at a monthly average level. In terms of z-score, the z-score was instead of 4.2, it's 2.4. So again, about 1.8 standard deviations lower than the previous z-score. And if this trend continues, perhaps the next time in a subsequent bull market, the z-score to watch out for would be around less than to slightly lower than 1.7 or 1.6, to check what the price would be at that stage. Just a raw calculation would be at around somewhere between 85 to 87 cents. So that's just like a rough calculation, and this is just projected using current values. As we move towards the 2024-2025 time frame, the z-score associated with these values will change, and so for that, to make your own AI based forecast for with using the content on the channel, please do subscribe to the channel as well as give this video a like so that you stay updated for the AI based forecast for the upcoming bull run, potential upcoming bull run in 2024-2025 time frame. So ever since the high the lower highs of the second bull run in 2021, this token, like most of the crypto out there, has been in a free fall. uh, the good thing about XRP is that the lows that were created in July 2022 were not taken out. So if you follow the chart of Bitcoin, not Ethereum, and most other cryptos out there, uh, you would find that the lows that were created in July were taken out in the November-December time frame. That is the low, I think, for Bitcoin in July was at 17,000, whereas in November-December, the actual daily low was at 15,000. And also that also was factored in the monthly average price that we consider on this channel. But XRP has been making consistently ever since the June 2022 bottom, consistently higher lows. So for example, in July it was at 34 cents, in December at 37 cents almost, in May it was 45 cents. Now we have to check if this trend continues, with this being the higher low, like the higher low being the potential higher low being in the 45 to 50 cents territory. So that's the reason we make this AI based forecast, to check if the XRP's trend of forming new lows continues, or if there is a slightly lower low, uh, high instead of higher lows that it has been making. So right now in month of August, the price action that we had for the complete month was at 58 cents. There was a news related rally around July August time frame, where XRP had its case in its favor, in the XRP SEC case in its favor. Although that had created a brief peak from green territory to light red territory, the the trend is moving down. The August price action was at zero point 0.2 z-score level. Right now, if you check in September, now that we are coming into the end of September, the price currently is less than 50 cents. So if we were to use the AI technique to forecast price action for September, for the entire month, average is at 50 cents. For October is at 48 cents, and again this content is derived by using historical price action and statistics and AI, and it's not financial advice. It's use of those data points to forecast future price action. So for October is at 48 cents. For November, per the AI model, in the base case it's at 44 cents. So again, the thesis of having higher lows for XRPs uh, is predicted to be true in the base case scenario per the AI model. So again, the higher lows would be for this year would be at 44 cents in November time frame per the AI model. In December it's at 45 cents, January 47 cents, February 49 cents, uh, March at a rally to about 60 cents, and April 55 cents. So that's the trajectory forecasted by the AI model at a base case. A higher low uh, at, at about 45 cents in November time frame, and then recovery rally till February, and then slightly higher valuation in March. This is the base case. The second scenario that I would like to present is the bull case. And again, if you see the uh, blue lines tracing back, this has been the most accurate scenario so far for XRP. This is, I think, the third time that I've covered this XRP related forecast on my channel. So again, for September, this was at 56 cents at a monthly average. Let's see that now when we are in October, what's the actual monthly average forecast for actuals for September. We'll make an update sometime in October, November. So again, please subscribe to our channel to receive that update. So for October, the AI model in a bull case, which is a theoretical ceiling scenario, created assuming that the market, the macroeconomic conditions favor risk assets, as well as um, the, the XRP or the tokens related uh, news are bullish. So in that case, the bull case forecast for October is at 56 cents. So November is at 50 cents again. The higher low is even higher than this correction in May that XRP had. The higher low at around 50.1 cents, 50.8 cents, almost 51 cents. That is in December. The the valuation forecasted by AI model is at monthly average at 51 cents, January 52.5, February 56.7, March 65 cents, and April 60 cents, 60.5 cents. So that's the kind of like a V shape, an elevated V shape, bottoming out sometime in uh, some around November at around 51 cents as opposed to 45 cents in the base case. It's the bull case. The third case that I would like to present is the bear case. What could happen that if we get like a seismic crash to the downside? Would that would a macroeconomic environment uh, which is trading very close to lead to the recession territory? Would what would happen to XRP in that case? Would it still be able to uh, continue with its trend of higher lows. uh, per the AI model, these are the forecast in that particular macroeconomic or risky crypto related outlook. In for October, if let's say we get a extreme downturn, the lows would be the monthly average forecast at a floor level would be at 34 cents. uh, for again for October is at 34 cents. uh, for November, in case of an extreme downturn, the lows are at 31 cents. So again, the higher lows are not intact in that environment. uh, and also the June 2022 low gets taken out in an extreme downturn. For December is at 35 cents, and for January again 30 35.9 cents. And just to extend it out a little bit more, from February the 35 cents level, January February at 35 cents level, in March per the I model it is 50 cents level, and for April it's at 46 uh, cents level. So just to summarize it, the base case is that the higher lows are maintained, but the May correction is taken out, and the higher lows are at the trend is at 45 cents. The higher lows, and then a recovery rally till April to about 60 cents. The bull case is the higher lows are maintained, but the May correction is not taken out. The higher lows are maintained at around 51 cents and culminates at around 65 cents. The floor is at the, the, the higher low trend breaks, or the bear case is at the, the trend breaks and the lows are at 31 cents uh, to rally to about 50 cents. So if you like, so these are all the content, but content related to forecast for XRP. If you like this content, if you please do give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Also check out the other altcoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum related forecasts created using AI technique. These videos help you do your in your own research and stay help you stay updated on what is a potential bull case, bear case for major cryptos out there. So I hope you check them out and hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.